I recognize the member from Guelph.
I have a petition to improve mental health services. Whereas issues of mental health and addictions are not being properly and successfully addressed in Ontario, and whereas currently most mental health services are only available through extended health care that's offered by private insurance companies, and not everyone has the privilege of purchasing a private insurance plan or securing a permanent position that offers these benefits. And whereas mental health services have become even harder to access for a lot of people due to job loss during the COVID pandemic. And whereas many people who need long-term psychotherapy but find it financially difficult has become an ultimate barrier to the services they need, and whereas social workers in Ontario firmly believe that access to mental health care is a fundamental human right that everyone should have access to, therefore we, the undersigned, petition the Legislative Assembly of Ontario to immediately embark on including mental health care in OHIP to ensure that everyone has the rights they deserve. I will sign this petition and ask Ada to bring it to the table.
Thank you for the petitions.